that means it's wood collection season. This is my favorite time to collect and process wood. It's not muddy like it is in the spring. It's not hot like it is in the summer. The leaves are starting to die back. I can get in the woods easier usually, and because a lot of friends and family and people that know us through YouTube and things, they know that we burn wood. Whenever people have trees down, they generally will call me to cut them up and take the wood out. So today I'm heading out to a friend's house. He has a tree down in his yard, and this one has kind of an interesting this one took an interesting fall. So let's get over here and check it out and see if we can get this tree out of there for him and maybe get some firewood out of the deal. Oh, look at that. That big old cherry tree just split off right at the trunk. Looks like it was rotted out. A lot of times ants and things get in there. It looks like it's still alive. The other sections of it's pretty big. It's cherry. But unfortunately, it looks like a bad day for the motorhome. This old big old heavy tree fell right on top of the cab, right on top of this thing, and just destroyed it. Just absolutely flattened the front of this thing, peeled the roof down, blew the side of this thing right out. That is unfortunate. Oh my. Look at the weight of this tree. I don't think he's going to be camping in here anytime soon. It's good 2 feet plus on this trunk here. I don't think it's repairable. Wow. So we've borrowed some heavy equipment to help us here today, and we're taking care of some other stuff here first. We got to remove this chimney pipe while we've got the equipment here, so that looks kind of scary. I got to get you when you fall. That's it. Good job. So you had storage insurance on this, huh?
Storage insurance.
Well, that's actually good news.
That's very good.
I just can't believe how smashed it is.
Yeah.
Is that metal? Is that a metal beam sticking on the top? Part of the cab? Or is that wood?
It may be a wood stanchion.
The windshield's gone.
There.
Alright, so the plan now is to chunk this up into some sections we want to maybe save for lumber, or we're going to see if we can find a local mill around here. This cherry might be worth milling into some nice pieces, so we're going to try to, it's fairly straight, so we're going to try to get it into the longest sections we can and cut these knot pieces out. And so we'll move the sky tractor, the loader here, and try to get the weight off this thing so we can keep cutting. Well, we got most of it out of there. We've got, we're gonna have to come back and make one more trip. We've just run out of trailer space with the 2 vehicles and 2 trailers here, so we're gonna drop this stuff off at the farm, get it up on some pallets, the nicer pieces, and try to save this wood, let it season out, and see if we can find somebody to mill it. He might be able to sell it, or we might be able to have it milled into something that's worth using for projects that either of us will do. So. Not a bad haul. We'll keep this stuff on the pallets, keep them off the ground a little bit, and let them season out here. So Darin did actually mention we should maybe paint the ends of these to seal them out from rotting on the ends. And so I may come out here and just touch the ends of these up, and we'll see what we can get for these. We'll see if they're worth it. This piece here just will be firewood. I just wanted to get it out of the way, but real nice sections of cherry. Well, we made it back with all the wood. The trailer's held up, and that little lawn trailer has sure held way more weight than it is supposed to, and done pretty well. But we've got about 5 of these 8 to 10 foot sections of this cherry, various sizes, all of them 2 to 3 feet in diameter. Really nice sections, pretty straight. So I don't know, what do you guys think? You think they'd be worth milling, or finding somebody to think they have any value, or are they just firewood? That's kind of the question right now. We're going to look around a little bit and see if we can find some in the area. I've been looking into sawmills, but I just don't think it's the time for me personally to buy one or invest in that. But you never know. Down the road we may do that. But at the very least, this will bring us a lot of firewood. So we got all the littler stuff stacked over by our outdoor wood burner. And what a nice thing to have friends. Thank you to Darin and Jake for letting me come over and tear up a tree and bring a lot of wood home for us. That amount of wood for us with our new indoor wood stove should keep us busy for quite a while. That'll actually hold us over for probably a couple months with that indoor wood stove. But that has the season, so we probably won't be burning it this year. If anything, it'll be late next spring before we burn any of this. Lots more wood collection and wood cutting. The weather is getting cold. The leaves are starting to turn. We will be firing up our indoor wood stove here very soon. I hope to get that chimney, the stovepipe all installed this week. So if you're following along, I'd love to have you tag along for that. I can't wait to cook something in that thing. If you're new to the channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell next to it. Make sure you get alerted when we post new content, new videos come out. We do all kinds of things here. We are a new farm here in Michigan, trying to make it as farmers, trying to make an income in a sustainable, organic way from this land that we have here. So don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.